Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will be discussing some numerical problems regarding rate of reaction and order of reaction. For queries, contact me through my WhatsApp number and email ID which is given. Please subscribe my channel. First question. Calculate overall order of reaction which has the rate expression. To get the first question, one expression is given. Rate equal to K A power 1 by 2 B power 3 by 2. It is the rate expression. So 1 by 2 is the order of the A, 3 by 2 is the order of B. So what about the overall order? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Similarly, here rate equal to K A power 3 by 2 B power minus 1. Here also just add 3 by 2 plus minus 1. You will get the order. So now look at the answer. This is the answer. Overall order equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. You will get 2. Second case, you will get 1 by 2. Next one, second question. The reaction A plus B gives rise to C has zero order. Write rate equation. So already we have learned how to write the rate equation. So for this reaction A plus B gives rise to C, rate of reaction is given by R equal to K into A power M B power N. Again R equal to K into. Look at the question. In the question, it is clearly mentioned zero order. So M value is 0, N value is 0. A power 0 1, B power 0 1. So rate equal to K. This is very important statement. For the zero order reaction, rate of reaction is equal to the rate constant. For a zero order reaction, units of K is equal to the unit of rate. Okay friends. Next, note. Next one, note. A gives rise to the products is a nth order reaction. So rate equal to K into A power N. This is the general equation. So N represents nth order. If you put 0 in place of N, you will get rate equation for the zero order reaction. So rate equal to K into A power 0 for zero order reaction. Rate equal to K into A power N for first order reaction. Rate equal to K into A power 2 for second order reaction. Okay friends. Look at the question. A reaction is second order with respect to a reactant. How is the rate of reaction affected if the concentration of reactant, first case doubled, in the second case reduced to half? So look at the answer. Rate equal to K into A square. We know this one, rate expression. This equal to R. New rate. When A is doubled, means if A becomes 2A, put 2A in place of A, you will get new rate. New rate equal to K into 2A whole square equal to 2 square 4K A square. This K into A square is equal to the R. So now new rate becomes 4 times of the initial rate. So rate increases 4 times. Look at the second question. Rate equal to K into A square equal to R. So new rate here reduced to the half, means A becomes A by 2. A becomes A by 2 whole square. You will get 1 by 4 K A square. Again K A square. This is equal to the R by 4. Now new rate. Now rate becomes 1 by 4 times. 1 by 4 times. Okay students, any doubt? For doubts you can contact me through WhatsApp, my number already which has been given to you. So This is the question for you. You have to solve this question. The rate law for a reaction of A, B and C has been found to be rate equal to K into A, B, C square. How would the rate of reaction change when concentration of C is doubled, concentration of A is halved, concentration of both B and C are doubled, concentration of each of A, B and C are triple? Try to solve. Easy question, you can solve it. You can solve it. Next, look at the next problem. For a reaction A plus B gives rise to C. A plus B gives rise to P. Rate increases 4 times when concentration of A increases 2 times. And the rate increases 3 times when concentration of B increases 3 times. What are individual order, total order and rate equation? So students, look at all. A plus B gives rise to P. That is the equation. As it is, I have written here. A plus B gives rise to P. You know how to write a rate equation. R equal to K into A power M B power N. So all of you know, it is not a problem here. Next one, look at the rate increases. In the question, rate increases means R becomes 4R. Rate increases 4 times when concentration of A increases 2 times. Now look at step. Yes, this is the step here. When a rate R becomes 4R, rate increases 4 times means R becomes 4R. When it becomes 4R, when A becomes 2A, it is already given in the question data. So I am writing here according to the data only. R becomes 4R, K, A becomes 2A. When A becomes 2A, then only R becomes 4R. So this is the 4, 2 power M, take it outside 2 power M. So you will get one equation, mathematical equation. After solving, you will get M equal to 2. M equal to 2. This part is equal to the R, so get cancelled. Next one. Yes. Again look at. When concentration of B increases 3 times, rate increases 3 times. So when B becomes 3B, so R becomes 3R. Same procedure, mathematical procedure. This is the mathematical equation. After solving, you will get N equal to 1. So in this case, we have got M equal to 2. So M value 2 means 2 is the order with respect to the M. 2 is the order of with respect to the A, and here N equal to 1. It is the order with respect to the B. So what about the overall total order? M plus N. Add 2 plus 1, you will get 3. That is the total order. Look at. Substitute M equal to 2 and N equal to 1 in equation 1. So you will get rate equal to R equal to K into A square and B power 1. Whatever you are getting the values of M and N, M equal to 2 and N equal to 1, just put in equation 1, you will get the rate equation. Okay, next question. For a reaction, 2A plus B gives rise to P. Rate increases 2 times when concentration of A increases 2 times, and the rate increases 27 times when concentration of both A and B increases 3 times. What are individual order, total order and rate equation? Look at the answer. 2A. Look at 2A plus B gives rise to P. All of you know 2A plus B gives rise to P. already it is given. So R equal to K into A power M B power N, that is the rate equation. All we know, we have been studying for last 2-3 classes. R equal to K A power M B power N. It is fixed. You have to by heart it. It is fixed. It is a general equation, general rate equation. Now look at the question. Rate increases 2 times when concentration of A increases 2 times. This is the first part. Rate increases 2 times when concentration of A increases 2 times. You should have a minimum basic English here. So when A becomes 2A 2 times, so rate increases 2 times, R becomes 2R. So 2R equal to K 2A power M B power N. You can solve it. 2R equal to here 2M 2 power M, take it outside, remaining K A power M B power N. This part again is equal to the R part. So R and R get cancelled out. So after solving you will get M equal to 1. One more statement is there. Look at that statement. Look at that statement. Here statement. Rate increases 27 times. Rate increases 27 times when concentration of both A and B. Friends, very clear. Concentration of both A and B increases 3 times. Means A becomes 3A, B becomes 3B at a time. Then only R becomes 27R. This is the meaning of the statement. So 27R. When 27R, 27 times, when A becomes 3A and B becomes 3B. So 27R equal to 3 power A power M into, here 3 power M and 3 power N gives 3 power M plus N. A power M into A power M into A power N equal to A power M plus N. This is the mathematical equation again. After solving, here M already we have derived. So what is the M value here? 1. What is M? 1. So put 1 here, you will get N equal to 2. So M equal to 1. 1 is the order with respect to the A and N is the order with respect to B. So what is the order of the B? 2. Order of A, individual order 1, order of B is the 2. Now look at rate equation. Rate equation means take the equation 1. Take this equation 1 and substitute whatever the values you are getting. M and N. M and N. So final substitute M equal to 2, N equal to 1, equation 1. Final rate equal to R equal to K into A power 1 B power 2. So this is the final rate equation. The final rate equation. Here one question is given to you. For a reaction A plus B gives rise to P, rate increases 1.414 times when concentration of A increases 2 times, and no change in rate of reaction when concentration of both A and B increase 3 times. Calculate individual order, total order and rate equation. Try to solve all of you. Go to the next question. Next question. Okay friends, look at the question here. For a reaction A plus B gives rise to P, following experimental data is given. Calculate individual order, total order and rate equation and value of a rate constant. Here table is given. Don't worry, procedure is same. In earlier case, we have seen that it is in the theoretical data. Rate increases 3 times when A increases 2 times. Rate increases 27 times when A and B increases. Concentration of A and B increases 3 times like that. But here there is no theoretical statement. Experimental data is given. So whatever the data. That data is in the form of the table. So we have to compare the experiment 1 with 2 and 2 and with 3, then only we can solve the question. So now look at, before going to the solution, look at the, look here friends, before solving the question, here experiment, this is the experiment, concentration of A, molarity, that means mole per liter, concentration of B, again mole per liter, rate, molar, second inverse. Experiment number 1, this is the data, complete data of the experiment number 1. This is the data of the experiment number 2. This is the data of the experiment number 3. So basically for this type of question, we have to compare the experiments. Experiments 1 with 2, 2 with 3 or 3 with 1. Compare करना है here. So look at comparison. Answer. Already you know R equal to K A power M B power N. Next one. Yes, compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. If you compare 1 and 2, 1 and 2 we are comparing. So here no change in A, no change in A. So A becomes A. But what about the B? Yes, B changes. How many times? 2 times. B changes 2 times. Means 2B. When B becomes 2B, so R also changes 2 times. Here 2 times change. So this is the, already you know, we have solved the earlier one problem, 1 or 2 or 3 problems, same method. This is the mathematical expression again. Just solve this mathematical equation, you will get n equal to 1. Next we are going to compare one more equation. Comparing 2 and 3 here. Comparing 2 and 3, this is the result. Rate increases 4 times when A changes to 2 times. So after solving, you will get m equal to 2. You can understand very easily. Look at the mathematical steps. Nothing here. So rate equation is given by rate equal to R K into A power M B power N. Already you know rate equation how to write. That is the general equation. So here 2 and 1 are the values of M and N, whatever you are getting after solving. Just substitute those values of M and N, you will get rate equation. You will get a rate equation. So total order 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Yes, this is important. Look at the question. In question, one thing is mentioned: calculate rate constant. Calculate rate constant. So for this one, from the given table, any one experimental data can be taken for the calculation of the rate constant. Experiment number 1, 2, 3 is there. So you can take anything, 1, 2 or 3. Take any one. You will get the K value. But this is the final. This is the ultimate. R equal to K into A square B power 1. Here R, experiment number 1. I have taken here experiment 1 result. 1.2 to 10 power minus 3 equal to K 0.01 square 0.01. Again substitution. After solving, you will get K equal to something. Here, what is the unit of K? Try to calculate the unit of K. So this is the homework for you students. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Next. The following results have been obtained during the kinetic studies of the reaction. 2A plus B gives rise to C plus D. One table is given. The table consists of the data of the 4 experiments. By using the table, try to solve. Determine the rate law and rate constant for the reaction. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. For queries, contact me 8985923852 through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you once again.